Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi network setting guys. How can we pair in our Tecno phone? Friends, you want to pair guys Wi-Fi network in Tecno phone, so friends you can pair. And friends, now let's see how to pair Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. In this video guys, I will show you friends. So friends, now let's see how to pair Wi-Fi network. And first of all, open your phone setting to pair Wi-Fi networks. Then guys you can see this type of setting guys. You can see your phone Wi-Fi setting and tap here, and guys your Wi-Fi is enabled, so you want to disable, you can enable and disable from here. And guys you can see guys this scanner, so guys you can use guys scanner also here. And guys I will pair this 5G network, so I will enter my 5G network password friends. So enter your 5G network password, and guys you want to check your password, you can check from here. And guys you can see connect option, friends tap here to pair. And after 3 and 4 seconds guys your Wi-Fi network will pair in your Tecno phone guys. Wait. Then you can see guys Wi-Fi network has paired, and guys now you can use Wi-Fi guys. You don't have guys your mobile data, so guys you can pair guys your Wi-Fi network. And guys you can use guys your Instagram, YouTube like that, Chrome, Google like that app guys. You can use your Tecno phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.